Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 15th, 2025, and we're diving into the first quarter earnings report of Fidelis Insurance Group. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Fidelis Insurance Group's latest financial performance.
Fidelis has just released their Q1 2025 results. Let's get started with an overview of their performance. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Fidelis Insurance Group reported gross premiums written of $1,722.9 million, marking a 13.8% growth from the first quarter of 2024. However, they posted a net loss of $42.5 million. John, can you elaborate on these figures?
Absolutely. The increase in gross premiums is a positive sign, indicating strong business growth, particularly in their asset-backed finance and portfolio credit and marine lines. However, the net loss of $42.5 million, or 38 per diluted share, reflects the significant impact of the California wildfires, which contributed to a combined ratio of 150.6%.
And how does the operating EPS compare to analyst expectations?
The operating EPS came in at -41 cents, which is slightly better than the forecasted 43.3 by analysts. This indicates that while the company faced challenges, they managed to perform slightly better than expected in terms of operating earnings.
Impact of catastrophes and losses. John, the report highlights significant catastrophe and large losses amounting to $333.3 million, primarily due to the California wildfires. How did this affect their underwriting results?
The California wildfires had a substantial impact, contributing $166.8 million to the losses. This led to an underwriting loss of $94.5 million for the quarter. Despite these challenges, Fidelis managed to generate a net investment income of $49.5 million, which provided some cushion against the underwriting losses.
It's clear that the wildfires were a major factor this quarter. How is Fidelis managing these risks?
Fidelis is actively managing their exposure through strategic use of outwards reinsurance and maintaining a diversified portfolio. Their proactive approach to risk management is crucial in mitigating such large-scale losses.
Strategic initiatives and shareholder returns. Moving on to shareholder returns, Fidelis returned a total of $33.2 million to shareholders through share repurchases and dividends. Can you tell us more about this strategy?
Fidelis repurchased $22.1 million worth of common shares and paid $11.1 million in dividends. This strategy is part of their capital management approach to enhance shareholder value. The CEO, Dan Burrows, emphasized the strength of their balance sheet, which supports these initiatives.
And how does this impact their book value per share?
The book value per diluted common share was $21.54 at the end of March 2025. This reflects the accretive nature of their share repurchase program, which is beneficial for long-term shareholder value.
Future outlook and market position. Looking ahead, what is Fidelis's outlook for the rest of the year?
The CEO expressed optimism about the trading environment, highlighting their strong market position and proactive capital management. Despite the negative operating ROAE of -7.6%, Fidelis is focused on capitalizing on profitable underwriting opportunities and optimizing margins.
It sounds like they have a clear strategy moving forward. What are the key factors that will drive their success?
Fidelis's success will depend on their ability to manage risks effectively, leverage their strategic partnerships, and maintain a strong balance sheet. Their focus on long-term value creation for shareholders is a positive indicator for future performance.
Key takeaways. In summary, Fidelis Insurance Group faced a challenging first quarter with significant catastrophe losses, but they managed to outperform EPS expectations slightly. Their strategic initiatives and strong balance sheet position them well for future opportunities. John, Thank you for your insights today.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Fidelis's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Fidelis's performance in the comments below. Until next time.